Oh my god, this is going to be huge if we get a fourth. Oh my god, come on. We need something. Oh my god, this is going to be fucking huge. Let's actually enjoy this win, guys. Holy shit. Oh my god, we have a full line. Dog. Oh my god, this is huge. What the fuck? Holy shit. What is fucking going on? Dude. Oh my god, Bones. Dude, it says Blue Dogs. We are fucked. We are going to be winning so much. Oh, not Jax. Holy fuck. Bone. Oh. Holy shit. 19,000 in the fucking bank, dude.